we belong here, Mommy and me, because we are animals. We are still animals, wild animals, and biting away reality. This is my aim. I am biting reality away as long as I live. Wegbeißen. Weg mit der Realität. Reality is shit. Art is super. Yeah, and we have to bite reality away. This is the aim of living. We are in the year 2014 now, and here you see the jail, the cage, and the stage of art. Yeah, here is reality, not with me at the moment because I am anti-reality, but here you see the total anti-reality. In this room, every ideology, every political system has no chance. No chance. And you see masks, you see dolls, you see color, you see books, you see cloth, you see boxes. Everything is arranged, nothing is anarchistic, everything is in order. Everything is quietly, peacefully going into the future. Finished.
Well, that's you with your reality and your anti-reality. I'm seeing something completely different. I'm seeing the different things that you have been collecting over the years or over the last year. These mannequins, which I personally think are rather terrible, with their enormous bosoms, but I mean, he bought them about half a year ago. The banana boxes came to us in November with 5,000 art books, and we had so many banana boxes, and I thought, my God, where am I going to put them? Now I know where we put them. And
Mommy wanted to throw them away, and I was furious. I was, how can you throw these banana boxes away?
Well, then we luckily found a place for them.
Every human being has to bite away reality and not support reality. We are not reality politicians. We are not politicians. Artists are not religious people, not politicians, not esoteric, not spiritual. We are animals, and we are biting away reality, and we are beating reality. We are beating it up and beating it away. It has to go. Yeah.
I understand what he wants to say. I don't agree, but it doesn't really matter. I accept that is his idea. I mean, he lives in reality. I mean, he breathes, he eats, he sleeps, he lies in the bathtub, and that is reality.